redesigned toe box that fits more naturally is introduced with the Phantom 6. In addition to ensuring that the pair fits according to size, a more anatomical fit gives athletes a greater feel for the pitch and ball. To improve comfort, the construction surrounding the ankle has also been changed. Inspired by the 2013 original Hypervenom, the Phantom 6 embraces a bold aesthetic and a rebellious attitude. The Hypervenom III's agility flex area, which many found helpful while pursuing goals, is also referenced on its Cyclone 360 plate. The Phantom 6 is sure to be noticed on the pitch thanks to the new boot's debut colorway, which includes pops of chrome along with details that evoke orange and jade. Get up-close looks at the newest football boot with the swoosh logo. On Thursday, June 12, Nike.com will offer the Firm Ground, FG, and Artificial Ground, AG, Elite, Pro, and Academy versions worldwide.